Is your best advertising spot blank? Let's fix it with a pinned comment. So, normally, if you're on your phone, the description is actually kind of hidden. I don't know if you've noticed that when you're watching videos on YouTube, it's kind of hidden behind a see more button. Well, normally the pinned comment is not. It's open, it's right there for everyone to see, and it is your gateway to get more views and to help your channel grow. So, why are pinned comments so powerful? Well, they're great for, like I said, on the phone screen. You actually see the pinned comments. They help get people talking. And YouTube is not just looking for views, they're looking for people to actually interact with your videos. And so it actually helps keep the viewers watching because they're interacting with your video. So the more interaction, the more your video continues to play in the background, or they're continuing to watch it or listen to it while they comment. So you actually get more time of your video playing on your channel whenever you actually have people engaging. The other thing this does is builds real trust with your audience. They get to actually hear from you, the creator, and actually listen and communicate with you and see what you have to say in the comments and replies back to their comments. So, with you interacting with them, they realize that you're a real person. There's a face behind or a real physical person behind the videos. And so, that human interaction makes people want to come back and watch your videos again. You actually get 82% more phone viewers see it first, your pinned comment, and 40% more time spent on channel. So, that's some metrics that YouTube has provided saying that more people see the pinned comments and more people will actually interact with your channel if you have pinned comments. All right, so let's break it down. Like, you have a few different options, many, many options, really, but these are some of the big ones that I kind of came up with. The icebreaker. So, this is something where you can, say on a scale to 1 to 10, how close are you to throwing your computer out with all the editing and everything that's going on and it's not working for you? Something human that a creator may have a challenge with, a camera system or a keyboard or something just not working for you every day. And it's so frustrating. Just getting down to that same level with your viewers, letting them know you're human too. This is kind of like your video guides. You can actually post and give them a description that has timestamps in it. That's an option that some people utilize. Free gifts or links. A lot of people utilize that pinned comment to, if they have affiliate links or if they have something that they talked about in the video and they want you to go to it and click on it. Maybe they talked about a Facebook page or something like that. Well, this is where you could pin that. And then binging. This is another option. This is where you actually post a link for your next video or a, some type of playlist or something like that that you want them to watch. So this gets that viewer to say, "Oh, okay, well there's something else from the same creator. I might want to click on that." And that gets them to continue to watch more videos. It's kind of like the end screen, but with a little more humanness to it because you're actually commenting there and leaving some type of personal message with it. All right, so let's prove that pinned comments actually work. Which pinned comment strategy are you going to use in your first channel? Are you going to go with the icebreaker? Are you going to go with the video guides? Are you going to do like some type of free information, free gift? Not always does it have to be, a giveaway. It can just be some type of PDF or content or a photo that you want to give away, something of that nature. Or, like I said, a link that they can go to, or the keep binging. So let me know in the comments which type of pinned comment are you going to go with on your channel next. And always just please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos from me. And I'll see y'all in the next one.